This is Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. This is my sweet and sour barbecue chicken for dinner here today. Yes, on my plate is some sweet and sour barbecue chicken and some slices of tomatoes. We call them salad in Jamaica. And having some romaine lettuce on the plate. Romaine lettuce with salad dressings and some rice and beans, Jamaican style rice and beans, my friend, in the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV lab. Yes. So this is what I'm going to enjoy for my dinner here today on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Sweet and sour barbecue chicken. Yes. So this will be my trailer coming to you with the upcoming premiere scheduled down the road to hit the YouTube platform. You're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, my friends, this is my sweet and sour barbecue chicken, Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery style. Yes. The full video will be on my upcoming premiere on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Thank you for watching. Yes, hope you like the view. Yes, please share and please subscribe in support of my channel. Thank you so very much. See you on another cooking adventure on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform.